all of you are doing great. Welcome to Missy Films. It's going to be one of the talking videos today. So grab your coffees, let's do some self-care. Also, pardon my look, I have oil in my hair. I mean, I cannot be glamorous all the time. This is how I be at home on a Saturday night in a very comfy clothing and oil in my hair basically. All thanks to Subedna for doing a good chumpy and preventing me getting a migraine at night. So it's literally going to be a part of the night and I'm just using my mirror light to film this because of course you know there are no good lightings at night. So yeah, this is how my weekend begins actually. So I don't know what an ideal weekend looks like for you guys. For me, it's just being in a comfy clothes, you know, ordering Blinkit or Zomato, lighting up a good vanilla scented candle and watching very nice Netflix series. So do let me know what you guys prefer doing on weekends. So yeah, baki ka video you guys are going to see me like this, like basically I'm just standing in front of the mirror just like filming things and yeah, with the oil in my hair, and I don't mind that because it's relaxing. So yeah, we can get things through that. Before we begin, first things first, let's make my anxiety drink. Like I need my coffee before I begin any of my videos. I'll make that and get back. Also, we will be unwinding my makeup because I still have my makeup on and I did not take it off after coming from office. So we are going to do that and maybe show you guys the basic routine that I'm going to do because I believe mediocrity is the key. So I will keep the things routine simple and not with a lot of incomprehensible steps. So yeah, let's get through. I have a glass of ice cube which is a little melted right now, so I'm going to add coffee to this. I don't know how many of you love eating ice because I love to and like I randomly keep doing that. So I have already made a shot of espresso with brown sugar or any kind of sugar alternate that you want to add in until it foams, and then we're going to add it to our ice and milk. Also, the foam depends on how much you want it. Like I like my coffee like very foamy, very frothy, so I am going to stir it a little more longer, but then yeah, you can prefer how much ever longer that you want and then maybe add it. Now I'm gonna be adding my coffee to the ice. Look at that froth going along. So once that is done, we are going to go ahead with the milk. This is the milk I'm gonna be using today. So basically, I am never the one to use a dairy like product. I don't like it. So this is a plant-based milk, coconut milk. I do prefer oat milk rather than this, but then I like both of it. And also coffee tastes better with plant-based milk, I prefer. So yeah, you guys can try that out. And I'm gonna be mixing this. So one thing why I like coconut milk with my coffee is because it is very thick first of all and very creamy. You know, it tastes amazing. So yeah, like are we seeing that foamy texture there? Like coconut milk is best because of this very reason. I don't even have to stir it for some time. But yeah, this is the amount of coconut milk that I'm gonna be adding, and then we will be stirring the coffee and then it is good to go. I'm gonna be using my frother to stir this. Love the texture. Yeah. Here goes my third cup of coffee. Don't worry guys, I'm not over caffeinating myself. The concentration of espresso was really low in this, so yeah. Okay guys, let's get into the video. So I am gonna be reviewing a lot of my empties that is from skincare and makeup, and I'm gonna tell you guys whether I'm gonna be repurchasing that based on the reviews that I have used. So yeah, let's get started. So first things first guys, I want to talk about this moisturizer. This is from a brand called Bioderma, and this was actually given by one of my very good friend when I did not have a moisturizer. She assured me that this is going to work perfectly for my skin. Well, it did, and I really like the way this is formulated. The texture is very creamy. It is really good for sensitive skin and dry skin. So this is amazing to even use it under your makeup. So yeah, this is definitely going to be my repurchase. Actually, I have already repurchased this, and if you guys are looking out for a great dry skin moisturizer, this one should be on your list. Secondly, I'm gonna talk about the Plum's body products. Like I have been using these tubs and bottles like since forever. I love how it smells and I'm very particular about using their vanilla range of products. Like I have their mist, every other product that was launched in this range. So yeah, I have already repurchased and these were just my empties. So if you're looking for something in a budgeted range for your body care, Plum should be it. Next up, I have the hair care range, and this is a dry shampoo from BBlunt. Days like when you get too lazy to wash your hair, and if you have a greasy hair like mine, this product is for them to try it out. But I was very disappointed because the product ran out pretty quick than it should have been usually, and also did not give me that refresh to my hair, and the grease remained the same. So yeah, there was a very weird spray out which was kind of like powderish that stayed on my scalp, gave me probably like a dead dandruff situation. If you were about to invest in a dry shampoo, this was definitely not it, so I'm not going to repurchase this. Next up is the Centella Ampoule. I'm definitely going to repurchase this because this is my fourth or fifth bottle of serum. I love this, and I have been obsessing over this brand for skincare recently. So yeah, this does wonders for people with sensitive skin, and people with dry skin having a lot of texture problems, sensitivity, and looking for something that calms your skin down. I think this is a good investment to do. So you guys can purchase a 30 ml and then test out on your skin and maybe repurchase again. So yeah, this is my fourth or fifth bottle and I am not disappointed, so definitely a repurchase. Then I have a couple of Maybelline mascaras. Like I am blind trusted by this brand for the mascaras. Like whatever you're looking for in a brand to give you for your lashes, Maybelline does that. So I am obsessed with their Sky High range. Also, this is a good purchase. Like beginners who do not do a lot of lashes, you can go with the Hypercurl waterproof or no waterproof. But yeah, the mascaras are definitely going to be my repurchase from Maybelline. And next up we have concealers. I have quite a few concealers. Those are in my empties. Like definitely I'm not going to repurchase every single one of them, but there are few brands which are exceptional and I will always have in my vanity. So I am that person who do not prefer one shade, so I do have like different shades for myself and for my vanity. This is the first concealer that I would love to talk about. This is from Swiss Beauty, and guys, trust me when I say this beats every high-end product in my vanity. Like this just retails for 290 something, and this is full coverage, guys. This I use it on a daily basis and it's very efficient, like cost effective, and also this gives you pretty nice coverage when you blend it and set it nice. You can also make this stay, build the coverage, and you can also use this on a daily basis because this is not too expensive. This is not going to cut your pockets. So yeah, like I have been repurchasing this ever since lockdown, I guess, like as long as I can remember, and there are very limited shades when it comes to the particular concealer of the brand, but I feel enough for the Indian skin tone. So yeah, this is definitely going to be my repurchase. Next we are talking about the K-Beauty concealer. Like recently we have a good brand from the Indian market, K-Beauty, and I have been obsessing with their products. Like most of their products are pretty great. So yeah, this is their K-Beauty concealer, and I have used most of their shades, like 2-3 of them, and I'm definitely going to repurchase that. As you can see, this is not my shade exactly, but then still do have it in my vanity because of course I don't work with one single shade. That's one thing about me. So this is also going to be my repurchase. And if you are somebody who is looking out for a good concealer in the market which beats some of the high-end brands, then I think this should be it. This is going to be my repurchase. Talking about the other rest of the concealer that I had used, like this one from Love Child by Masaba. I really want to try this brand because they have quite of the daily essential products that I would have invested, but this did the job, but then the product was very drying on the skin. I mean, it is supposed to be a camouflage hydrating concealer. This had a good ingredients like papaya and stuff. This was my second tube actually. The first time I used this, I found this really hydrating and glowy, but then second time I used this, it did not work out for me. The product was much on the drier side, and this is not going to be my repurchase, but you can invest on this. Then I have the concealers from iMagic and Revolution. Again, worked fine but did not do the job, so I'm not going to be repurchasing this. Next up I have this blush stick from Nykaa, and this is in the shade of Flirty Peach. I love this so much. Like I almost hit the end of this tube, like the stick. Did not use this much when I purchased, but then I found out a way to use this, and this really stays on my skin for a very long time. So mostly the peach glow that you see on my face is this stick. So, and couple of other blushes that I use, and this is definitely the one that you guys can use on a daily basis. So I have already gotten another tube for myself, and this is definitely a repurchase. I'm gonna swatch and show this to you just for you to understand the shade. This is the shade, and this blends like butter, you guys. Like when I say that, you can just like, you know, give it a good blend, and this is gonna give you a very nice, healthy, natural glow on the skin. And I've not tried the other shades that this particular product has, but love this one for sure. I have already hit the pan, reordered this because I don't want to run out of this product, as I use this on a daily basis. So yeah, if you are looking in for an affordable cream blushes for everyday, then you can go for this. Talking about blushes, I do have one more product that I'm definitely going to repurchase. This is powder blush from K Beauty. This is in the shade Sweet Salmon. So this is a very coral pink kind of a blush shade, and I love this product so much. I have like emptied like 2 of these, and they're very compact, they're very handy, they are travel friendly. You can you know, travel with this like everywhere, and this is also pretty long lasting. So this was a good investment, and I'm also going to repurchase. Alright, next up we have moisturizers again. So this is Cetaphil and CeraVe moisturizing cream. So this is the best in the pharmacy market. I've been using this from couple of years, and I don't have any complaints, so I might repurchase this. And then we have CeraVe moisturizing cream, which is known for extra hydration, especially for dry skin. Find this very hydrating compared to the other moisturizers that I use, so not gonna be repurchasing this. So next up are these face masks. So this one is from Plum, and this is their chamomile and white glow getter face mask. This product in particular has a lot of good ingredients. So as it says, chamomile and white tea, this does calm your skin down when you use after a good exfoliation. So this has a lot of good ingredients. That is the major reason why I invested in this mask. This has really good, you know, green tea extracts, leaf extracts, white tea extracts, and also since it has chamomile in them, this, you know, by nature is going to help calm your skin down. This is sort of like a clay mask which works good for hydration. So yeah, I did not see a lot of brightening results with this, but yes, this is a good purchase, and I'm going to repurchase. Next is the O3 Detan Pack. Like, who does not know this product? This is the best in the industry. I definitely am investing in this again. Every time I take a vacation, come back, I have to use this product. It has taken out all my tan, and as you can see, I've already hit the pan, I've emptied the jar. Looking for a good detan, then O3 has to be it. I sometimes use this for my hand as well, like whenever I feel I have tan on my hands, because I often ride my scooty without gloves. So yeah, this is a good product, and I'm definitely repurchasing. Last but not the least, I have eye patches from McCaffeine and Dot & Key. So I have been using eye patches since forever. I'm a night owl. Like, I wake up with very puffy tired eyes, and I have to go back to work, so cannot go without these. Like, these are very relaxing under the eyes. So this is from McCaffeine. This is really affordable, comes with a lot of good ingredients to brighten up your under eyes, reduces your dark circles, hydration. So I have been using this from quite some time, more than this. These are really good for depuffing, I feel, and this is really good to reduce your dark circles. And this is my second bottle, and I'm definitely repurchasing this. Not sure about this one, I'm not exactly going to repurchase this, but McCaffeine under eye patches are a must. And there we come to the end of my empty reviews. I have a lot of other empties also lying with me, but not sure I can put every other product into my video. So let me know if you guys really want to see my empties and what I would repurchase again. So maybe that would help you guys invest in the product or your skincare. We have reached at the end of the video, where I'm just going to end my day, take off my makeup, melt everything down, do a good simple skincare before I go off to my sleep. So yeah, so yes, one of the OG things that I use to melt down my makeup, that I have been telling like n number of, you know, my students, is the baby oil. Like, this is it, guys. Like, you just need Johnson's baby oil, like affordable, available in the market. You don't have to buy expensive cleanser or makeup removers or balm. Sometimes I do use oil infused products to melt my makeup down, but most of the time this is my hero product. So this is great because I always put on waterproof mascara, and this like genuinely helps me melt it down. So yeah, then I use the baby wipe to gently take everything off. So this does not irritate my skin. It is really good for people with dry and sensitive skin type, also otherwise. So yeah, these really help to take off everything before I use my cleanser. done with my skincare routine. I'm all prepped for the night to go to sleep in a lot of moisture. So as you guys saw, it was a pretty simple skincare that I follow on weekends, so nothing complicated. Also, say hello to the love of my life, my dark circles. Like, I am like very insecure about my dark circles, and they have been so worse lately. Like, you can see under the lighting they look pretty fine, but if I go closer to the light you cannot see, but when I push myself back you can see the darkness. I've drenched myself with a lot of self-care and hydration. Nothing too complicated as my skin acts up. It's probably because of the sensitivity. I just like pinch my cheek and you see that turning red. I hope this content brings a little bit of information to everybody out there for the product or any kind of self-care that you are looking for. Likewise, I have other things planned out as well for the next videos. Also, I would really appreciate you guys putting out your thoughts in the comments that what you would want to see. Definitely will try working on that as well. So stay tuned for the next part of my virtual diary, and until then, goodbye.